Hello guys, welcome back to day 15 of my Kaftan design tutorial with Clo3d and ChatGPT. Thank you for following my video from day 1 to day 15 and I really appreciate that. And if you need project file for any of these design, don't forget the link is always in the description box. So before we continue, don't forget to click on subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator. So this one is going to be simple and fast. I think I already have the concept on my head, so I just probably need to see if it's going to work as planned. So I want to create a cut in between. Okay, so I'm going to start from here. I'm going to select G here and drag the internal line. G is the shortcut for internal line. You get polygon internal line. So I'm going to click here, double click. I'm right. Yes. So we have this. I'm going to select Z. I'm going to Z on my keyboard. I'm coming. Okay. Z. And right click and cut and sew. Yes, we have this. So there should be a cut here. I'm right. Yes. So I'm going to do the same thing for the back or to the back. Okay. Double click. Z. Right click. Cut and sew. Let's see. And I'm going to add 3 buttons in front, and I think that's all. So just go to ChatGPT to generate texture. I'll be using Ashoki for this. So let's start with this. So I'm going to select button. Yes. I'm going to move to this side. Okay, yeah. Don't need this. I'm going to place it here. Okay. I'm going to scroll back, Control C. I'm going to select Z. Select this. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, sorry, I've forgotten. I'm going to select this. Selecting Z. Control C, Control V, and oh, that's too much. Your choice. Right click, and let's make it one more. That's 3. And I think okay. Let's select OK. Then I'll go to the button section to change the shape of the button. So I just clicked on this. Okay, and I'm going to click on this drop down here. So we already have this. So I'm going to click on this. Yes, and change it to 15. I'm going to make sure it is metallic. Yes, we're good to go. Let's go back to fabric. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Okay, so okay, suggest a I'm not sure. Okay, sure. Okay, fabric with a kaftan color or kaftan fabric color or kaftan fabric color I can use on Clo3d. So let's wait for the result. So here is the combo here. Okay, royal indigo Ashoki. Okay, would you like a 4K select texture plus normal map for this combo? So yes, no. Let me see 4K. Let me check this and see the Xcode is okay. So let's wait for the result. Okay, there is a problem. There's a problem, so I'm going to change this. This is the normal map. I don't know why I added that, so I just need to okay. Let me just send this alone and let's wait for it again. Okay, this is it, and let's try this version. I'm coming. Okay, let me download it here. Let me ask it for normal map. Okay, let's go back to Clo and let's create a new fabric. So we have a new fabric here. I just want to assign some parts of the fabric. Hold on, shift. I'm coming and shift to this. So let's go to this part and go to base color, open texture editor. I'm going to add plus. So we have this, and let's see this. This is for it to load. Okay, we have something like this. Is perfect. This looks good. It's good. This is good. This is good. This is good. And apply and close. So I'm going to select this pattern here and the pan pattern. Yes, this, and I'm going to select this. I'm going to one more. What more? One more. Okay. I want this one to also to look like. Let me see. Yep, this is good. So let's go to let's go to okay, we have this final. I'm going to download this. I'm going to go back to Clo. We're going to go back to the normal map. I'm going to select this, open texture editor, going to add the normal map. Okay, so I'm going to change it here. So yeah, we have something like this now. So, and apply and close. Can see the details, you can see it on the fabric. So, and don't forget, you can always save this as a fabric. If I want to save this, it's not hard. So just click on this icon and yeah, texture image. Okay, can save it as Ashore. Okay, one, and save. If I go to my fabric here, okay, still creating property. Why still create property? Let me go and copy this. Okay, C4, copy, and so see, now we have this fabric here. So that means you can apply this fabric anytime to another design you get. So this is just by the way. So okay, I'm coming. So let's do this. Select this and start selecting this. What do I need to do? Okay, I'm coming. Let's just select this and paste it here and apply and close. Okay, what we need to do is just increase the layer for this. Where's the layer? I need to set this one as 1 because I don't know, every time it's always inside. I think the best thing to do is to solidify, strengthen it. But anyway, this is the design for you can see. So the reason why this thing is like this is because of the fabric and properties. I'm going to adjust it. The neck is not looking too good, so I'm going to stop my simulation. You see, okay, so it's still on. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to change this one to meet. It's got interior. Let's see. So I'm going to simulate it back. Yeah, better. So I am going to select this neck and change it to 0. Yeah, so this is the okay. I'm not done. The thread, I'm almost done. Sorry, but this is the design we'll be using for day 15. So I'm going to copy and paste this. Even paste, yes. Enter. It's not change. Rubbish. Okay. Control V and apply and close. And okay, the button. You forgot the button. Anyway, it's looking silver already, but then I will change the button. So I'm going to select, yeah, and paste. So we are good to go. So this is very simple. So this is designed for day 15. Thank you once again for watching this tutorial from Timmy the Creator. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator.